What's going on, guys? It's Anthony again. Well, today's video, as you can see, I got the same outfit as the introduction video for my pickup truck, which is back there. I'm going to be replacing the headlight. I'm gonna switch the stock light bulb for LED lights. 60,000 K. So that means pure white. And I'm gonna be doing all the LEDs: the headlight, the signal light, the interior lights, the backup light, all that. But not today. Today I'm just doing the headlight. So to remove the headlight, I thought it would be an easy job, but it's not, because I can't fit my hand through here. So I have to remove the light. I did not know that. By the way, I didn't search on YouTube how to do it, where to do it. I'm going with the flow. So I'm guessing you gotta remove the headlight to do the light bulb. So I took this one out, that one out, and I gotta do this one. Maybe it go tilt out. I hope so. I don't wanna remove the bumper. That would be a pain in the butt if I gotta do all that. But let's see. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so the process of removing the headlight is pretty easy. Take this one out, take this off, that goes here, take this screw out, and then you're gonna find that there's another screw here and another screw down here, and you just press here and it pulls out. That was easy. So now I gotta remove this thing. Is it with a plug? I'll be back. Okay, guys. So after a mega struggle, I ended up breaking the little thing that goes in there to open it, to have the headlight loose. So it came out. It has stock headlights, the yellow ones, which is the size. The size is H13. So I got these ones from eBay. This LED lights. I don't know if it's gonna fit because of the space in the back, but we'll try to make it fit. We'll try it. So I put on the LED light. Can you tell the difference? I don't know if I can tell. Yeah, you can tell the difference. Oh, baby. It looks totally different. That's the regular bulb, stock bulb from Sylvania. And this is my eBay LED light bulb. It looks cool. It's not HID, so I was watching a video on YouTube that says that LEDs are brighter than HID, so I thought like, $20, I'll try it. So that's what I did. What do you think? I like it. Now I gotta do the other side. Okay, guys. Well, I don't have a tripod, so I cannot set my camera, my phone back there to record the whole process and fast forward. But I removed the same screws from the other side. There's two, and this one. And then now I gotta press here, and then wiggle, and it comes out. All right, let's try not to break this one. Oh man, the struggle is real. I guess I haven't changed this light bulbs in a minute. That's why it's super hard. But I gotta put my phone down to take it out. So I'll be back. So I put the light on both sides. That's it. Yeah. Alright. So now I will have to do the turn signals. I think I'm gonna just change the headlight because I don't like the yellow signal on the side. Well, I'm waiting for the turn signal bulbs. Should be here today or tomorrow. I should have just waited, but I couldn't wait. I wanted to put the headlights on right away. I don't even know why, because I don't have the plate since DMV is closed here in New York. Well, not closed, they just doing appointments. I should be getting plates in 2 weeks. Nah, nothing sooner. So I just gotta put everything back on that one. This one is already set to go. So I gotta put everything back on this one. Make sure the clip is ready good to go. Okay, hit it back there a little bit. To go sit. Yeah, gosh. Sorry for the shaking of the hand. I don't have a tripod. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I should get a tripod and just mess with it, because I'm gonna be posting more videos on this truck. A lot more videos on the truck, because there's a lot to do with this truck. On the Grand Cherokee, I really don't want to mess with it. Like, I like the way it looks like that. Since I bought it at the beginning of the year, I like the look of it. I don't want wheels. I might lower it, not sure yet. But this one, I definitely want to lift it. I want to lift it. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think I should do with this truck. It's a white truck. I know I'm not gonna go too crazy with it, but I want to lift it and put some wheels and change the front bumper, the back bumper, get rid of the rust. And this is gonna be my daily, so I'm gonna be spending a lot of hours in it. So yeah, that's it, folks. It's just a quick video on my headlight bulbs, LEDs. I got these on eBay right here. I don't even know the brand. Some eBay brand. LED headlight, what brand? No brand? Well, no brand LED. H13 light bulbs. Pretty bright. Uy, vamos para el frente ahora. LED lights. Ooh, I like it. Le ponerle los high beams. Una gran cosa, pero está bien.